Alon and Hanna are Messianic Jews who immigrated to Jerusalem from the United States with their children.
We really wanted to be in the center of God's will, and we knew that that was His will for us to return to Jerusalem, to Israel.
They tried to start a cleaning business like the one they had in America, but soon wound up in debt.
In the beginning, I thought it was going to be like in the States, but here is difficult because the money that I make, that was not enough.
It was just a lot of stress in adapting to the culture, to the country. It was a lot of mixed emotions.
The Wagners kept working and believing God would help them, but there were days when they struggled to get by.
There was a few times that we didn't have enough for the food or to cover our bills.
Sometimes my wife said, we don't have nothing to eat. So that was very hard for me.
That's when a friend from their Messianic congregation told them about CBN Israel. First, we made sure the family had enough food to make it through this tough time. Then we met with the Wagners and taught them how to manage their business better. We even got them a professional floor polisher so they can do larger, better-paying jobs.
They buy me the machine, and thank God, I use the machine and I make money. We can live better and we can give a testimony to the others.
We are very grateful to CBN and to this ministry that has blessed us so much. My prayer is that you will receive 100 times what you have poured in this ministry and in this land to help the families. That the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob will bless you abundantly, Yeshua HaMashiach. Amen.